Hello everyone. So in this series of lectures, as you know that we'll be discussing some MCQs and we'll be solving these MCQs from different chapters. Now in this video we are going to discuss some MCQs from the chapter number 2 of class 11 NCERT, that is biological classification. Now in this biological classification there is a topic that is kingdom Monera, right? And this topic it is also included in the syllabus of NVS and EMRS in both. Now, first of all, the most important thing that if you want to crack these exams, you have to thoroughly study this NCERT line by line. You have to study. Okay. So here are some MCQs from the kingdom Monera. Now the first question it is given: bacteria are sole members of kingdom Monera without glycocalyx layer, with either DNA or RNA as genetic material, eukaryotic in cell nature. Now, if you see here, it is given there kingdom Monera, and if you read the first line, it is written bacteria are the sole members of kingdom Monera. It is already mentioned here. So they are the sole members of the kingdom Monera. So the first option it is given, bacteria are sole members. Bacteria are sole members of kingdom Monera. So this will be the correct answer, because you know that without glycocalyx layer, the second option is given, bacteria it is having glycocalyx layer, because you know if you see the structure of the bacteria in the cell chapter, you will see that it is a prokaryotic cell. So they will have cell membrane. Outside the cell membrane they will have cell wall will be there, and outside the cell wall they have that glycocalyx layer. It can be capsule or it can be slime layer also, it is called. Okay, it can be capsule or slime layer. So they are having glycocalyx. So it is false. With either DNA or RNA, the genetic material of the bacteria, that is DNA always. And eukaryotic in nature, it is also wrong, because they are prokaryotic. So bacteria are sole members of kingdom Monera. Okay, so as you can see here in the NCERT book, that in the first line kingdom Monera it is given, bacteria are the sole members of kingdom Monera. Next MCQ it is given, consider the following statements. Bacteria are unicellular. Obviously they are unicellular. Cell wall bound, yes, they have cell wall. Spherical or rod shaped microorganism, okay, they can be spherical. So here in NCERT book you can see it is given there cocci. So cocci, they are spherical bacteria. Cocci it is given. Okay, then bacilli given. Bacilli means rod shaped bacteria. So they can be spherical, they can be rod shaped. Next, bacteria, so this statement is correct. Next, bacteria is usually smaller than 5 micron. Yes, you can see the bacteria 2 to 3 micrometer, okay, in size, and lack an organized nucleus, as they are prokaryotes. So they don't have nucleus, they don't have organized nucleus. So this option is also correct. So what will be the correct option? Statement, both the statements 1 and 2 true. Clear? So option number C, that will be the correct answer. Now the next question it is given, bacteria are regarded as primitive organisms because they possess incipient nucleus. Okay, because they possess incipient nucleus, because their nucleus, it is not well organized. Clear? That's why they are the primitive organism. Clear? And the eukaryotic, in eukaryotic you can say that they have a prominent nucleus, advanced type of nucleus. That's why they are called eukaryotic. Okay, eu means advanced and karyon means nucleus. Now the next question it is given, choose the incorrect statement with respect to kingdom Monera. Which is the incorrect statement you have to choose. Clear? Now it is given membrane bound organelles are absent. Okay, so it is correct. Okay, membrane, choose the incorrect statement with respect to the kingdom Monera. So membrane bound organelles are absent, it is true for Monera. Okay, 70s ribosomes are present, that is also true for Monera because they are prokaryotes, so they have ribosome which is 70s type. Cell walls are cellulosic in nature. Now this is the incorrect statement. Okay, cell walls are cellulosic in nature. Cellulosic cell wall, it is found in the plant. Okay, cellulosic cell wall, it is found in plant. Bacterial cell wall, it is actually made up of peptidoglycan. Okay, peptidoglycan, that means it is having NAG, NAM. NAG means N-acetyl glucosamine and NAM means N-acetyl muramic acid. Okay, now the next question it is given, choose the odd one out. It is given there actinomycetes, rickettsia, spirochetes and halophiles. So among these, which one is the odd one? Now you can see here actinomycetes, it is filamentous bacteria. Rickettsia, that is also bacteria. Spirochetes also and here you can see halophiles. Now if you see the NCERT, in NCERT it is given there archaebacteria. So in archaebacteria, here you can see that these bacteria are special since they live in some of the most harsh habitats such as extreme salty areas. They are called the halophiles. It is given there. So halophiles, here you can see the halophiles it is given. So halophiles will be the correct option. It is the odd one. Clear? Because it is archaebacteria. Now next it is given, choose the incorrectly matched pair. Okay, choose the incorrectly matched pair. So it is given there, father of bacteriology Leeuwenhoek. Okay, then it is given smaller bacteria Beggiatoa, cocci bacteria lack flagella. Is correct. Achha, next given all the above. Now here the question, it could be smallest bacterium. Okay, so it is not Beggiatoa, it is called Mycoplasma. Okay, Mycoplasma, understood? It's Mycoplasma. There is a bacteria that is called PPLO. PPLO means pleuropneumonia like organism. You can say Mycoplasma gallisepticum. So this is the smallest bacteria. So it is given there smaller bacterium or smallest bacterium. You can say Beggiatoa. It is not the correct. Okay, so this will be the correct option. Okay. Now next question is given there, Sarcina is a type of, because Sarcina, it is a type of cocci. Okay, it is a type of cocci, spherical type of bacteria. Okay, now the next question it is given, study the figures given below. So spherical bacteria, as you have seen in NCERT, it is given there spherical bacteria. Here you can see spherical bacteria, these are called the cocci. Okay, right? Spherical bacteria, it is called cocci. Now it is a single spherical bacterium, then two spherical bacteria are there, then there is chain of spherical bacteria. Now choose the correct option. A is monococcus, mono means one, so it is correct. B, two is there, so diplococcus, that is also correct. Next, C, chain of coccus, it is called streptococcus, so that is also correct. So the correct option, that will be this one. A is monococcus, B is diplococcus and C is streptococcus. Now question number 9, here you can see it is given, bacteria are grouped under 4 categories based on their shape. So here you can see in the NCERT it is given bacteria are grouped under 4 categories based on their shape: the spherical coccus, rod-shaped bacillus, comma-shaped vibrium, and the spiral, that is called spirillum. Okay, so the first one it is given spherical. So spherical means coccus. Okay, so A will be cocci. So cocci it is given. B it is rod-shaped, so bacilli. C it is spirillus, and the D it is vibrio. So what will be the correct option? The correct option will be this one, option number B. Clear? Very easy question it was. Next, there's the question it is given: which one of the following is an artricus rod-like bacteria found arranged in pairs? Artricus means, देखो, artricus means without flagella. Okay, artricus means without flagella. Clear? Bacteria is having flagella. Here you can see in the spirilla the flagella is given, right? Here spirilla, flagella given, the both side flagella are there. So without flagella, that is artricus, rod like it is given. Okay, so options given there, you go bacillus subtilis. Bacillus means rod shaped, pneumococcus spherical, vibrio, that is comma shaped, streptococcus, that is also spherical. So what will be the correct option? That is bacillus subtilis, because it is rod like. Clear? Okay, now the next question given there: the layer outside the bacterial cell wall is composed of. So already I have told that outside the bacterial cell wall there is glycocalyx. Okay, and this glycocalyx, it is made up of peptidoglycan, that is also called mucopolysaccharide. Clear? So it is given there chitinous capsule. No, chitin is present in fungus. Okay, chitin is not present in bacteria, it is present in fungus. Slimy capsule, mucopolysaccharide, this is option number B. C is given suberized capsule. No, suberin is not present there, and cellulose it is not there. Lignified capsule, that is also wrong, cellulose wrong. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be slimy capsule, mucopolysaccharide. Okay, next the last question that today we'll discuss: the microtubular organization in cilia or flagella of Moneran is. Microtubular organization of cilia and flagella. So cilia, we know that cilia, flagella, actually they are made up of microtubules. Okay, like in animal cell centriole, that is also made up of microtubule. Okay, in eukaryotic cell, the flagella, that is also flagella is also present, that is made up of microtubules. But in Monera, the flagella which is found, it is having 9+0 arrangement. Okay, 9+0 arrangement, and 9+2 arrangement it is found in eukaryotic cell. Okay, clear? Eukaryotic flagella. But in Monera, the flagella, the arrangement is 9+0 arrangement. Okay, so these are few MCQs that we have solved today. In next video we'll be discussing some more MCQs. Okay, so it is very important to study, to read the NCERT line by line if you want to crack any competitive exam. Okay, so up to this you will study. So thank you so much.